Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your love reading, you versus them. Alright, so let's see what situation you are in and what are the blockages between you both and what will be the final outcome and what will be the actions which you both will take. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's start with the readings of my Virgos. Let's see what is the love messages for my Virgos. Let's see. Page of Swords. Someone is stalking someone. Who is the one who is stalking? Are you or them? We'll see. So let's see. What is, sorry, last shuffle. Alright, so let's see now what are the cards saying for you, for my Virgos, please. Let's see what is the, okay, so at the back of the deck it's the Eight of Pentacles, it's you, and with the Six of Wands. Wow, you're really working hard to find some success. I don't know why, but I'm getting it's your energy. Both are your energies, like really working hard to achieve a place. With Knight of Cups. All right, so this is something, this might be an energy where both of you are involved. You both are working for this connections to make it a success, or you both are working individually to make yourself, to make yourself someone like a very successful person, and then you both will come together. We'll see what is this. Oh my god, what is this, Virgos? So how you look them, so this is how you really feel they are, they are your wish fulfillment, a wish come true. How you look them, like that. This is something, you ever wished for. You might be dealing with a person who is very good looking, very much, a lot of that kind of a person, a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of, good talker, something like that. And you really like this person because this is something, you never have experienced before. This is the person. How they look towards you as a Ten of Swords. Okay. I don't know why I'm getting the energy, like it's like they are telling themselves that they are looking that it were you who actually ended the things. I don't know why, but it's giving me that sense. It was you who ended everything, and that is why they are looking towards you like that you ended everything. I didn't do anything. Okay, let's clarify now. Let's see what is this Nine of Cups, Death card. So yes, might be an ending from your side for a change, something. I don't know why. What change is this? What is this Death card? Queen of Wands. Alright, so you might be feeling that they have got someone new, and that is why you just ended it. Interesting. Let's see what else do we have. The Five of Wands and Ten of Wands. Double the card, double the energy. So it might be small petty issue, because you did some might be some kind of talking, some kind of a conflict, an argument, but it actually made it a huge problem after that. Everything just ended by itself, and you are now looking them as the Queen of Wands. You not be looking them as Queen of Wands, but it's more like, they are in their energy where they don't care, and Queen of Wands doesn't care. So that is why now you are looking towards them, that this person was my wish fulfillment. This person was someone whom I ever wished for, the kind of person whom you liked, and now they are changed. Now there is no more talking between you both, and they have moved on. You are thinking that there is nothing now, nothing left, everything has been ended. Now they must have moved on. Let's see what is their part of the story. Ten of Swords. Why is the Ten of Swords here? Why is the Ten of Swords here? What is this Ten of Swords telling us? Please clarify, tarot angels, please. Okay, the Knight of Swords. It was really fast, I guess. Because they are thinking that you ended really fast. They are telling me that. I don't know why I'm really sensing it, that they're telling that they were the ones who did it. They came really fast. They didn't even listen to me, and they ended everything. Let's see. Ten of Cups. See? Oh my god, it was huge, man. It was huge. It was something which might have gone towards something stable, but it just ended. Let's see, why is this Ten of Cups? Three of Wands. Okay, so I think that there was a wait for a situation, where you cannot do anything, but you are just waiting for that point to reach. But something happens, and because of some misunderstanding, some misconception, something, you might feel heavy sometimes, that why is this person behaving like this, and you just end everything. That might be a reason. I see here that they know that you wanted a family. They knew that you were a marriage material, or not a marriage, at least that you and them both are really going to be stable, really going to be together with each other, happy family. See, but it just ended. King of Pentacles in the blocking energy. Why is the blocking energy as King of Pentacles with the Two of Cups? Why is this blocking this thing? I don't know why I'm getting divine timing again and again. It's like that it was not the timing for you to meet. It was more, the blockage is the timing over here, I feel, with the Emperor. Okay, so it's a very, you both knew that this person, especially he or she, knew that we are meant to be together. It is something which we share, that kind of a bond which we share together. But with the King of Pentacles and the Emperor, the very common energy in this thing is both are stubborn. This is Aries energy and this is Taurus energy, but it's more of an energy where both are really very stern and stubborn. King of Pentacles is like my life, my rules, and this person is like my way or highway. So both have this kind of energy where that was the problem. That arrogance was the problem. That reaching a high level with the King of Pentacles, I'm also getting that you or them might be you are seeing that I really have to work on my coins right now. I have to become a big person. I have to become very successful. I cannot just I cannot invest all my energy and drain myself into this relationship. Whether I think that this was a lot of issue with the timing right now. Let's see what are the action you are taking. You are taking Ten of Pentacles and they are taking the Tower. Such a contradictory step. I don't know why. Like you are going towards them, you are going with an offer or something. But we'll clarify. Let's see what is this Ten of Pentacles in your side. Why is this Ten of Pentacles here? the High Priestess. Okay. Six of Wands and Knight of Cups. Okay, so I think that the action which you are going to take, it's more of not an action, but it's more of an intuition which you are going to get, which you are getting, might be because you are feeling that this person actually feels that you really feel that you both are made for each other, and this person might come towards you and offer this cup of love to you, and you might become, you know, you might come together at the end. There is a very optimistic thinking in your side. I'm saying you are very optimistic. Whatever this is, you are waiting for the divine timing, because with the High Priestess, she always tells us about that, you know, just stop expecting and do your work. When it will happen, when it will be happening in your life, whenever, it will come by itself. No need to wait for anything. That is what the High Priestess tells us about. The Tower is in their side. What is this? Page of Swords. Okay, I got it. The Tower. They are going to blast now. You know, the silence in which they were in, that silence is going to get over. They might be stalking you. You know, in your, just now, it was a stalker card. I don't remember. Okay, so Page of Swords and the Star, it's like a wish of a hope, and they are going to break a silence, and they are going to clarify some things, that it was you, it was not me. I really feel that it's a strong energy. They are going to break the silence, I'm seeing. Okay, so let's see the final outcome. Who is the one holding on over here with the Four of Pentacles? There is still that energy of not letting go of the things of the past. Whatever the situation is, someone is going to bring up the topic again, that you did this and you did that, whatever the situation is. Let's see what is this Four of Pentacles about. Six of Swords and Three of Cups. So there is a reconciliation I'm seeing over here, and someone is going to talk things out, and you know, after talking, things are balancing out, and both are talking and both are cheering. You know, there is a reconciliation I'm seeing, and whatever this is, you both will, you know, this is a card where both will be like on their side each, like why I did this, you know, they have their explanations to make and you have your explanations to make. So this is something which both have some things to do, and both are really not stern, I would say, but it's more like, you know, you are being on your side, like why I did this because of this, you know, both will make the things really clear between each other. Alright, so that's all from my side, my Leos, my Virgos, sorry. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.